Everyone seems to be interested in asking questions about LED lighting. Lighting for the last 100 years has been off the shelf, an order-taker system that still exists and persists in the market today. Providing an engineered solution is the new paradigm for LED lighting. Until now, there have only been 3 illumination technologies in the history of the world. Fire, which came from torches and candles, the incandescent bulb, which was introduced in 1879, and fluorescent lights, which were introduced in the 1920s. Here we are in the 21st century with a semiconductor revolution in lighting going on, and to me it's interesting that the powers that be are trying to convince everyone to switch to compact fluorescent lights, or the CFLs, a technology that was commercialized in the 1930s and perfected when rock was young and computers used vacuum tubes. The same semiconductor, the same digital infrastructure, and the same intellectual property that brought us iPhones, laptops, hybrid cars, Xboxes is being used today in high-output LED lighting. Everything from truck brake lights to billboards to police cars and traffic control stoplights have converted to LED lights. My favorite part of LED lighting is the simplicity of the math. Let me give you an idea of the savings. If you replaced a 100-watt incandescent light bulb with a 10-watt LED, the savings are simple, 90%. If you replace a 400-watt parking lot light with a comparable LED, the savings would be 80%. Another example, fluorescent lights. When you take 4 T12 tubes and replace them with 4 T8 LED tubes, you will save 60%. Well, who is ALEDA anyway? You see, we have developed a program using Excel to demonstrate the simple math. We prove the energy reduction and total savings. The math is simple, we prove it, we don't ever guess. We know the science of lighting design and are able to offer lighting solutions and specify products accurately. We never guess at which LED lights to recommend. We use science and software. Many times we know more about LED product performance than the manufacturer does. We've also networked with finance companies to offer a no cash out-of-pocket solution. Loan payments are generated from electricity and maintenance savings and usually result in a positive cash flow each month. We have a nationwide network of distributors and certified installers, so we can honor the manufacturer's warranty, even including the labor. We have factory rep relationships with numerous American and foreign manufacturers, so we can offer the best products and the best warranties on the market. By combining our energy savings calculations with lighting science, financing, tax deductions, and installations, TEU Services is in the business of redirecting money that right now goes to pay for electricity and maintenance every month, and we put that money back into your business. Now let me give you an example using our alpha bulb. If you have a 100-watt light bulb and replace it with a 10-watt LED, and you say this light's on for 10 hours per day, well, you've gone from 1 kilowatt hour of electricity down to 0.1 kilowatt hour. If you're paying 10 cents per hour kilowatt, you just went from spending 10 cents per day to spending 1 cent per day, or a 90% savings. That means in 365 days, you just saved $32.85 by purchasing an LED bulb that comes with a 3-year warranty. Now, let's take a look at a commercial example. If you have parking lot lights, or warehouse lights, or gymnasium lights that use 400 watts plus their ballast, and you replace them with an equivalent LED, the savings here would be 80%. Each metal halide light uses 5.27 kilowatt hours of electricity per day if it's on for 12 hours. Now if you have 100 of these lights, then you're using 526.6 kilowatt hours of electricity per day, or 192,192 kilowatt hours of electricity will be used per year. Well, let's change that old technology lighting to our equivalent LED light and watch the electric meter drop to 38,438 kilowatt hours for an 80% savings. Okay, let's talk about this 80% reduction. We all know that cutting a direct expense goes straight to the bottom line is pure profit. So would you agree that a major reduction in your electric bill would improve your bottom line? I'm going to show you how to improve your bottom line profit margin, enhance your productivity, and give you some guaranteed results. ALEDA has eliminated all risk to you. Everything is guaranteed and insured. The only possible way to lose money is to sit back and wait and see. According to CPS Energy in San Antonio, 43% of a business electric bill goes to pay just to keep the lights on. That is a fixed cost that every business owner has to pay each and every month. Well, that means that for every $1,000 you spend on electricity, $430 goes to pay the light bill. Of this 43%, or $430, if that can be reduced by 50% or more, well, that means increased profit to you. Now here's how you can take advantage of this increase to your bottom line and eliminate lighting maintenance for up to 5 years. ALEDA will provide an upgrade of all your existing lights with LED. Lights that reduce electrical consumption by 50% or more. After we replace all of your lights, the money that was used to pay your electric bill will be redirected to pay for the new lights. You get a full replacement warranty on all new lights for 5 years. You get the maintenance labor included for 5 years, so if a light goes out, call us. You get a guarantee that the new lights will deliver equal to or better light levels than existing. You get a certificate of performance that guarantees the reduction in your electric bill, plus the reduction in your maintenance cost will be great enough to cover the cost of your new LED lights. For final proof positive, we have insured our certificate of performance with an A-rated insurance company whose engineers review all of our calculations so that they can underwrite the certificate of performance with an insurance policy that covers our claims for 5 full years. You see, the ROI is guaranteed and insured. To top it all off, we will see to it that you get every tax deduction and or every tax credit possible. ALEDA has eliminated all risk to you. Everything is guaranteed and insured. The only possible way to lose money is to sit back and wait and see. Right now, you are invited to review and sign the ALEDA commitment with us so we can get started and put your money to work for you. Contact us if you have any questions, and thank you for your time today.